Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W124 channel. On today's video I will show you how to open the front seats and how to fit a central armrest. If you have an armrest in your car and you simply want to swap it, very easy, okay? But if you don't have one and you need to buy one, make sure it is sold with everything, okay? If you got this missing, you won't be able to fit it, okay? So anyway, as usual, I will place the part number on the video, and in that case you want to buy one, then you will know how to find it, okay? Now that we have our part, what we will do, we will place the front seat the more forward that we can, and the back part as well, the more front that you can. And below it, we will remove two screws. So we will use a star screwdriver, and I will show you what we remove now. There's two to remove. I've unscrewed a little bit the screw so you can see it. As you can see, it's just below the back panel. Okay, so let's remove it completely. Now that our screws are removed, we need to remove the panel. So for this, it is stuck with that part on the side. So we'll use a flat screwdriver. We place it here and we pull it like this. Look. So like this part can come off. Go gently. You see? Like so. And now you continue going up and up and up until everything is removed, and we do that on the two sides. We're gonna now fit the support, and as you can see, that's the way it should be fitted, with this at the bottom. Okay, now we'll have the two bolts at the top. Okay, so I'll push the fabric to show you how it's fitted, and we're gonna place it inside the small holes inside. You see, there's a few holes, but they're small ones. We'll place it inside, and you see it fits perfectly. Now if you want to make sure it fits correctly, just take that bolt and place it at the bottom, screw it, and it should fit perfectly. If it fits, we know it's good. Okay, so that's it. Now it's good. Okay, so now let's take it off, because obviously I don't have holes in the fabric, so I want to show you how I'm gonna do it now to make the holes inside. Okay, so let's pull the fabric again as it should be, and then we pull the we're gonna push the support on the fabric, and we'll mark with a marker like this one where we should make the hole. Okay, so let's make the holes now. As you see, I've now marked it. Okay, now to cut the two holes, okay, obviously we can use a knife, cut it all around, and we're done. Personally, I won't do that. Why? Because if I cut it a bit more that way, it's possible that the fabric will continue cutting itself, and I don't like that. So what I will do, I will use a piece of tubing like this one that will fit inside. You see, fits perfectly. So what I will do, I will make it quite hot, okay, with a burner. Okay, and I will put it inside, and it will burn itself, and then it will be able to go inside. Okay, that way that will seal all around the fabric, and it won't cut any further. Okay, so but now you do what you prefer. Okay, now the diameter of the hole from the factory is 15 millimeters or 1.5 centimeters. Okay, so I will do that now. We now have holes done, and it fits perfect. Now we're gonna fit our support. So we're gonna fit that screw at the bottom, and we're gonna tighten it nicely with a spanner of 10. Okay, and once it's done, we're gonna fit that support. So look well, you see the shape of it. These follow the shape of the of the seat. Okay, so we place it in, and it should be like this. Okay, so it doesn't move. Okay, so once it is tightened, we place the fabric on top. We can now place back the back of the seat. So what I do personally, you can do it another way if you want, but that's the way I do it. I place it nicely on top, and then I place the screws at the bottom. Once it's nicely fitted against the seat, then the sides, I push them back inside here. Okay. That's it, we are nearly done, and I would like to remind you as well that if you want to participate in this channel, if you want to help me, you can apport something. If you look at the description of the video, there's a link. You can apport whatever you want. This helps me buying new parts and make video like this one that will help you later in the future. Okay, so thank you in advance for all the one that cooperate. Okay, so let's now continue this and finish it. Now we're gonna place the armrest where it should fit. Okay, and we're gonna place the stuff in, so it's a bit tight, but we should be able to fit in. Okay, like so. We place one and we place the other, and then we tighten it well with a spanner number 13. Time now to place the cover. Okay, so if you have a look at it, there's one part that's a bit curved, okay, and there's one part that's more flat and it's open. The open part goes at the back of the seat. Okay, so we will have to open it a bit in order to place it inside and fit it correctly. Okay, now if you have a look inside, there are two clips. This clips in the support. Okay, so once it's in place, just push it nicely until it clips and it fits properly. Okay, if not, it's not mounted properly. Okay, and once it's done, that's it, job is done. That's it, it's now fitted, perfect. I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel, give me a like, it's always nice for me, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.